All right, for balance. Feet flat, really thinking about spreading your toes out. Heels and feet facing front, underneath your hips, underneath your shoulders. So make sure you're all adjusted in line. What we're gonna do is bend our knees so they go over our toes, and up, and bend, and up. Another exercise is lifting toes one at a time. Using your other foot to grip with your toes, so don't lean back on your heels for both. Solid on one foot, lifting toe. Solid on the other foot, lifting toe. And lift, and lift, and lift, and lift. The third one is rising up onto our toes, so push forward with your hips, pulling forward till your heels lift up and back down. And you can relax over your heels, pull your hips forward, over, up. You can push up if you're feeling strong, and in your feet, don't use these muscles, use your feet muscles. Forward, find your balance, pull up with your toes, and back down. Okay, easiest to start, shoulder width apart. Added challenge if you want. You're gonna stick a tennis ball right into between your heel and your ankle bone. And the goal is the whole exercise to keep it squeezed tight. It's not gonna move. So you can still bend, knees over toes, and lift, knees over toes. You're keeping things nice and tight, so lifting toes one at a time. Ball shouldn't move too far, it's just rotating with your foot back into its spot. Releve up and down, so pushing that weight over your toes, and up and down, and up and down, okay? Added challenge if you want more resistance, have some weights, and lift up, okay? Heels, bends and lifts. Squeeze your shoulder blades together so that these aren't wobbly. But if you're without balance, don't use weights. That would be bad. Okay, here we go. Get yourself set. Weight even on your feet. Thinking about all the weight going through your middle toe. Just a bend. Knees down and up. Kneecap over your middle toe and back up. Down for 3 and up. You're gonna have to keep your quads from pulling out, and in and down and in and down and in. Good. Find your balance. Lifting one toe, pushing on the other one. Down, lift, and down, lift. If you have range of motion and you can get all the way onto your heel, great. If not, just try and get that big toe up first. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Good. Bend again. Down, and up, 2, and up, 3, and up, 4. Good. Alignment's important. Take time to adjust. Hips over heels, knees over toes. Keep that from flying out. 3, and 2, and 1. Good. Toes up again. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Down and up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. And down. One more. Up, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Pushing forward, hips forward, heels come up. Onto your toes, and back down, and bend, and up. Good. Hips forward, Onto your toes. And down. And bend. Up. Forward. And back. Bend. Up. Hips forward. Up. And down. And bend.